Hello everyone, welcome to ESIC SSO exam guidance video. So this is your third video. I hope you check first video, second video and notification video. Okay. In this video, I will discuss something about job profile of SSO, then promotion, work pressure. Okay. Whether it is suitable or not suitable for female candidate all over India. Okay. About your home posting transfer. Every basic detail I will give you regarding SSO post of ESIC. So let's start with our video. Okay. So first point I will raise here, that is your transfer. Okay, so unlike your bank PO where you have frequent transfer, right? Those who you are giving IBPS PO, IBPS clerk, those you know that banking exam have frequent transfer. But the best part of ESIC SSO that there is no frequent transfer for long time. You can be posted in your state. Okay, whether you are getting your joining that state, you will get for long time. Okay, so that will be around, I can say, 4 to 5 years you can spend there minimum. Okay, now there is a question that whether you will get home state or not, right? Those who want to work in their home state. So what is the thing in here? So see, now initially when you are joining ESIC, you will not get home state. Okay, very important point. You will not get your home state, but after 2 years, after 2 years of working, you can give application to get transfer to your home state, and definitely there are maximum chances that they will listen to you and they will give you home state. Okay, but initially for 2 years, definitely whatever workplace or state they will allocate you, in that only you need to work. Okay, this is the thing about SSO. There are three things. Okay, first, if you get transfer in any branch office of ESIC, then your work will be your office work. Okay, then if you get transfer as an inspector, if they give you post as a inspector, then your work will be field work, and definitely this is something little challenging, but it is not in your hand. Okay, based on them only they will allocate you whether branch officer or inspector. And the third thing is also, if they posted you in ESIC hospitals, or you can say HQ, okay, headquarter of ESIC, then also you have office work. Okay, so work pressure is very much less here, no need to worry. Okay, timing is fixed, so easily you can do your things. Okay, people are preparing for other government jobs with ESIC SSO job. Okay, so and obviously Saturday Sunday off, Saturday Sunday is also off for you. Okay, and mostly for female candidate they give office only, because either you will get branch office or you will get HQ, that is headquarter. So for you, for female candidate, definitely it is good job with less pressure, less I can say timing pressure. Okay, work pressure also, work pressure is also negligible, almost just work for fixed hour and then you can go to the home. Okay, now those who will become inspector in, they need to visit some factories. Okay, whether they are making their documentation or not, like that. In your ESIC HQ, ESIC hospital or HQ, you will guide your UDC, MTS and your steno. Okay, so all those three people will under you, they will report to you. Okay, so this is the basic thing about SSO job. According to these three things, your work profile is differ. Okay, next is about your promotion after SSO. Okay, after promotion you will get assistant director post. Okay, approximately 4 to 5 years. Then after assistant director you become deputy director. Okay, deputy director. And then after deputy director you become joint director, and further also there is hierarchy. So definitely you will get to know when you join. Okay, so this is the basic information about SSO post. So overall, if I compare with your bank job, any bank job, okay, definitely ESIC means all the students, those who are working in SSO, our students are also working in SSO, so they are much satisfied here. Okay, they are much satisfied here. Some student after working in bank, okay, any bank, Canara Bank, that is your PO as a clerk, they move to ESIC and now they are happy, they are enjoying their life. Okay, they are doing many things along with job because they are now free. There is no work pressure. You know that in bank there is definitely work pressure is there. Also frequent transfer is a headache for some candidate, because obviously they will move to one state to another state, so it is challenging for some candidates. Okay, those who didn't love to travel, definitely. So if you compare with bank, so ESIC SSO is the best job. So just prepare for this exam very hard. Okay, next video will be your strategy video, that how you can prepare and how you can crack this exam very well. Okay, so I will meet you in the next video. Till then, just visit our playlist section and watch all the videos of ESIC SSO. Okay, and if you still have any query, any doubt, definitely you can comment down below. I will address them soon as possible. Okay, as obviously best.